Hello students, in this video we learn about details of the electroplating. So what is electroplating? The process by which a layer of one metal is deposited over another metal by the means of electricity is called electroplating. Electroplating is done for the following reasons: to protect a metal from corrosion, to impact shiny appearance to a metal, and to improve the surface properties of a metal. Now let us understand that how the process of electroplating exactly happened, how the coating of one metal deposited over another metal. First, observe the picture carefully. We have taken two electrodes made of copper. One is connected to the negative terminal of the battery, that is cathode, and other one is anode connected to the positive terminal of the battery. As electrolyte, we have taken copper sulfate solution. So when we dip the electrodes into copper sulfate solution, the circuit gets completed. Now allow the current to this solution and wait for 15 minutes. After that, remove the copper plate from the solution and look at them carefully. What you observe? The observation is a layer of copper atoms get deposited on the cathode, and because of this, cathode increases in size and anode reduces in size. So what happens in the solution? When electric current is passed through the copper sulfate solution, the copper sulfate dissociate into copper ions and sulfate ions. As the copper ions are positive charge ion, so it tends to move to the cathode side. And each copper ion gains 2 electrons from copper atoms, and these copper atoms get deposited on the cathode. Means from the solution of copper sulfate, copper deposited over cathode. But at the same time, the solution of copper sulfate losing copper ions. So copper sulfate also needs copper ion. So from where these copper ions coming? These copper ions are coming from anode side. Now what happens from the anode side, the positive side? It breaks into copper ions by losing 2 electrons, and these copper ions tends to move in the solution. So by this, the solution being balanced. So basically what is going on, from the solution of copper sulfate, the copper is deposited over cathode, and from the anode side, the copper ions coming in the solution, and by this it is balanced. In this activity, both the electrodes were made of the same metal. Now suppose if you want to coat zinc over a copper object, then the metal on which coating is to be done should be made the cathode. It means, suppose you want to a coating of zinc into a copper object, then copper object you have to use as cathode and zinc plate use as anode. And your electrolyte is always a solution of your anode one. Means you have to use zinc sulfate as the electrolyte.